Hi, how are you? Glad to see you again. Today we are going to talk about medical expense coverage. So what is medical expense coverage? Medical expense coverage is an amount specified in the car insurance, motorbike insurance or personal accident insurance policy that can be used to pay for medical expenses in the event of injury during an accident. The policy covers all reasonable medical expenses for injuries, healthcare, including drugs prescription, medical consultations, hospitalizations, surgeries, or transportation to facilities, depending on your chosen coverage. It's important to understand medical expenses and learn how to protect yourself from additional spendings. The primary purpose of medical expense coverage is to prevent your financial overhead costs caused by physical or mental disorders or illnesses. However, this doesn't include expenses for general health like vacations or vitamin prescriptions, and medical expenses as well as transportation expenses to medical institutions might be included in insurance premiums for your car insurance, motorbike insurance, and medical payments coverage can also be added to personal accident insurance policy. Make sure to check if your premium covers medical expenses and medical payments are eligible in your insurance policy. Is medical expenses coverage worth it? Medical expense insurance is a medical reimbursement that provides you with the financial protection against the unexpected accidents and illnesses. What are examples of medical expenses? The list of medical expenses is limitless. It includes payments to doctors, surgeons, and other medical specialists, payments for inpatient hospital care or dental work needed due to an accident, and additionally payments for transportation to medical facilities. These might include mileage rate calculations. What are differences between medical expenses coverage and health insurance? Some medical expenses might not be covered by your health insurance or personal accident insurance. However, the premiums of Rujae's personal accident insurance are designed thoroughly, so you can add on this option. Like we say, buy nice or buy twice. Rujae can help you to save your money and time with our brand new product add-on, medical expenses coverage. And it is the time to live your worry-free life and let Rujae deal with all the expenses for you. How much does medical expense coverage in car insurance cost? You can select medical expense coverage as an add-on option to your car insurance, motorbike insurance or PA insurance up to 387 baht. What's the difference between liability coverage and medical expense coverage? Liability coverage protects every insured under their insurance policy in case they are responsible for the accident. When medical expense coverage covers you or your passengers' medical expenses, disregarding which party is responsible for an accident. So, what are limits of medical expense coverage? Limits of medical expense coverage vary from your selected insurance policy. In case of a personal accident, the medical expense might vary from 10,000 Thai baht to 50,000 Thai baht. In case of a motorbike insurance, your coverage might be within 50,000 baht and up to 200,000 baht limit. And in case you have signed up for the car insurance, your coverage might start from 100,000 Thai baht and up to 500,000 baht. That's all for today. Thank you for watching us and see you again very soon. Bye bye!